Hi, and welcome to the Himalayas. We're in the Himalayas. We are just up the road from the monastery where I ordained as a Tibetan Buddhist monk. So we're in northern India. We're in the Dalangela mountain range, and we're a little bit below the snow line. And we're in an incredibly beautiful forest. By day, this forest is magic. By night, it's terrifying. There's leopards, there's monkeys, the whole thing. But by day, it's very peaceful. And the sun sort of just comes in through the trees and creates a very particular atmosphere. And there's a very particular smell in the forest as well. It just creates a very particular atmosphere here. And the sounds, I don't know if you can hear actually right now, today actually is Tibetan New Year. It's Losar. So you might hear some music and some celebrations in the background. You might hear the stream at the bottom of the bottom of the hillside here. And there's a pretty good chance that during the meditation today, you're going to hear a lot of sounds of different birds as well. So it's a really magical place. It's a place that means a huge amount to me personally, and a place where I really wanted to bring you so that we could meditate together. So find a spot, get comfortable, and we'll begin. So just take a moment to settle into the forest here. We're going to start with our eyes open, looking out towards the mountainside. And the snow-capped peaks in the distance, and the trees all around us. And just maintaining that very soft focus. Just taking a couple of nice big deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. So as you breathe in, just imagining you're breathing in that fresh mountain air. As you breathe out, just letting go of any tension in the body or the mind. Just one more time, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And throughout this meditation, you can either have your eyes open, eyes closed, whatever feels most comfortable. But either way, just take a moment just to enjoy the view, the sounds, just enjoying that feeling of having taken some time out for yourself. And just feel the weight of the body as it presses down. Notice how the body feels today. And again, just take a moment just to settle into the sounds, whether it's a stream, the birds, the dogs, or any of the different sounds here in the forest today. And just bringing the attention back to the body again. Starting at the top of the head, just gently scanning down and just noticing in a bit more detail now. What feels comfortable, what feels uncomfortable. Just stepping out of the thinking mind and being more aware of the physical sensations. And as you scan down through the body, just slowly becoming more aware of the breath. Noticing where in the body you feel that movement. So throughout the meditation, we have a choice. We can come back to the breath each time, or we can come back to the sounds of the forest. So knowing the mind's going to get distracted, in that moment we realize the distraction, just bringing the attention back to the sounds or the breath. So choosing now whether to focus on the breath or the sounds, just resting the attention there. Nothing to do, allowing any thoughts to come and go. And if you're focused on the breath, just beginning to notice now the rhythm of breathing, starting to notice how each breath is long or short, deep or shallow. If you're focused on the sounds in the forest, just noticing how the different sounds come and go. Whether it's a stream, birds, cars in the distance. Just settling into that space. Whether it's the breath or the sounds, neither require any amount of effort or control, so just letting go of any need to control it. Just resting the attention very lightly. And then just for a moment now, letting go of any focus on the breath or any specific sound. And just allowing the mind to do whatever it wants to do. Just letting the mind be free. And then just bringing the attention back to the body once again. Coming back to that weight, that contact. Starting to notice the different sounds again in a little more detail. And whenever you feel ready, just gently opening the eyes. And as you open the eyes, just maintain that position for a few moments. Just coming back to where we started with that very soft focus, taking in not only the trees around us in the forest, but also the mountains in the distance, the sky above. And just carrying with you that sense of space into wherever and whatever you're doing next today.